Unlocking the meaning of passport to, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, passport to. This phrase is used metaphorically in various contexts. Understanding it can open up a new dimension of language comprehension for you. So, let's dive in. Passport to is a metaphorical expression. Typically, a passport is a document that allows you to travel between countries. But in this phrase, it symbolizes a means of access or entry into something non-physical, like an opportunity, skill, or experience. It's about unlocking possibilities or gaining access to new areas of life, knowledge, or experience. Here, we'll explore how passport to is used in different sentences. This will help you grasp its meaning in real-life contexts. 1. Education as a passport. Education is your passport to a better future. Here, education is described as a key to improving one's life. 2. Skill as a passport. Being bilingual is a passport to numerous job opportunities. This shows how a skill can open up various career paths. The phrase, passport to, can be altered slightly while keeping its core meaning. For example, a passport to success, your passport to adventure. These variations emphasize that the subject is a crucial tool or key to achieving a specific goal or experience. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, passport to, and how it's used in English. It's more than just a travel document. It's a metaphor for access and opportunity. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that language can be your passport to a whole new world of understanding. See you in the next video.